Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out June Paycheck 2 and going over June's Paycheck 3. If you are interested in this video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. Disclaimer, first of all, my nails are not done. I'm going to do them tonight. Our anniversary is Friday, and we will be going to Panama City. Today is June the 13th, so tomorrow is our anniversary, June the 14th. So I'm doing this video early, and I'm going to try and get some videos edited and pre-scheduled because I'm not planning on doing anything while I'm in Panama, but enjoying our anniversary and spending time with my husband. So excuse the lighting. It is dark, so I'm using the light that's in the house, and my house lighting is not good at all. So if you see the shadows, I apologize in advance. So let's get started and let's see how we did. So in our budget from June the 7th through the 13th, in our expense category, we budgeted $165.51 for our car insurance, $71.40 for Google Fiber, and $16.15 for Audible. That came up to $253.06. And in our actual category, that is exactly what we spent. In our extras, we budgeted $50 for our backup funds and $300 toward our anniversary trip. That came up to $350. And in our actual category, that's exactly what we put in. We budgeted $490 for our cash envelopes, $350 for our sinking funds, $60 for our savings challenges, and $20 for our extra backup funds. That came up to $920. And in our actual category, we spent $360 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $130, $350 in our sinking fund, $60 in our savings challenges, and $20 in our extra backup funds. That came up to a total of $790, which was a total savings of $130. And again, I apologize for the shadows that you see. My lighting is not good at all, and my ring light went out. In our income versus our expenses, I estimate our income to be $1,572.35, minus the expenses of $253.06, minus the extras of $350, minus the cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenge of $60, and minus the extra backup money of $20. That leaves a remainder of $49.26. In our actual category, our income was $1,572.35, minus the expense of $253.06, minus the extras of $350, minus the cash envelopes of $360, which was a difference of $130, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenge of $60, and minus the extra backup money of $20. That left a remainder of $179.29, which was a difference of $130. In our budget from June the 14th through June the 20th, in our expense category, we budget $179.78 for our chiropractor, $83.88 for YouTube TV, $50.64 for our homeowner's warranty, $28 for Terminex, $25.06 for Netflix, and $16.19 for Amazon Prime. That came up to a total of $383.55. In our extra category, we put an extra payment of $500 aside, which, if you all have been looking at my videos, we have slowed down on our debt payoff. We will put this money aside, and as soon as I can, I will start putting money toward things. I think I will be making an extra payment this month on one of my debts. I'm just not sure which one. And $350 on our backup funds. That came up to a total of $800. We budgeted $530 for our cash envelopes, $575 for our sinking funds, $150 for our savings challenges, and $50 for our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,305. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,861.45, minus the expenses of $383.55, minus the extras of $800, minus the cash envelopes of $530, minus the sinking funds of $575, minus the savings challenge of $150, and minus our extra backup money of $50. That left a remainder of $372.90, which will stay in the bank, and we will probably be using that as gas toward the trip. So fam, as you can tell, we did have a nice little savings from last week's check, and that was because we didn't do that much grocery shopping and we didn't use that much gas this week because we had already filled our cars up and hadn't went anywhere last week. We will be leaving tomorrow to go to Panama City, so a lot of the money that is put in for extra will probably be used toward that because it was a last minute trip. We decided that we were going to do something for our anniversary when we originally were not going to, but we deserve it, so we're going to Panama City and we will be using some of our backup funds or some of the extra money toward that trip. We've already paid for our condos in advance, so that's already taken care of. We just need to gas money, shopping, different things like that we'll be doing for our anniversary or any events that we might be trying to go to. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.